This is Nikki from Stella Luna Calligraphy here to discuss art residencies. And before we start, please subscribe. So, my journey started out with an early morning flight to Paris, along with a 2 hour train ride to the French countryside in the northwest region of France. The chateau that I stayed was at Château Cerisay, and the following clip shows some of the things that my cohort experienced. Creatively, I have to say that the French countryside inspired me a lot, both while there and long after when I came back to the States. Initially, I created some calligraphy for new portfolio, but later on, I was inspired to create my first surface pattern collection and was accepted by Spoonflower as an artist. The social benefits were many. I met with artists in all kinds of disciplines from different parts of the States and world. Now, as an introvert, it was wonderful being in a space where we could all create in silence for long periods of time, which actually energized us to be really social later on. It was so much fun connecting with this cohort. So, no talk about art residencies or art retreats would be complete without talking about money. Some residencies are fully funded and others are not, but I do have a couple of resources that can help you plan and organize, which would make that part of the process much easier and stress free. When it comes to funding, there are grant opportunities for artist residencies, but you also might want to look locally as well. Arizona, where I live, has several opportunities that I know right off the bat. City of Tucson has several residencies with the Museum of Contemporary Art Tucson, as well as with the Arizona State Parks. You can also keep it local as well. A gal I know hosted a 3 day art summit an hour or so outside of Phoenix, and I think it was like $350 for 3 days. And I thought that was pretty cool. Now, I did create a travel planner and a residency application checklist and expense planner, as these were the things that I wish that I had beforehand. Expenses add up, and you kind of want to track those if you are a business come tax time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. And I will be uploading more videos in the future, both locally and my travels internationally, as well as calligraphy tutorials. Thank you.